Hey, you didn't know? Here we go. Like and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment on how you make money online affiliate marketing. This video is about local lead generation, brand new strategy. If you're stuck at home and you're looking for a way to start your online business, and you think that there's no way, no one's looking for leads right now. No one's looking for leads right now because no businesses are open. Well, there are businesses that are open, and they need leads. Okay, when the crisis first hit and restaurants and all of that kind of stuff closed, okay, they didn't have a way, they didn't understand how to be open. Now, over a couple of weeks, couple of months of being closed, most of them have figured out how to do carry out and take out orders and use the phone and curbside delivery and stuff like that, right? So, but the problem is people don't know they're open. So you can use Facebook ads and you can reach out to these businesses in the neighborhood for local lead generation, and you run ads for them, and the hook is you're going to give them a week for free. All they have to do is pay for the ad spend. So let's say it's $20 a day they're going to spend for ad spend, and so you figure out they're going to do it for a week, right? So they pay for the ad spend, and you're going to do the work for the first week and see how many leads you can get them, and you do it like that. And basically, how are you going to find these businesses? Well, you should open up the yellow pages. You should know the businesses in your neighborhood, right? If you don't want to use your neighborhood, you want to use a different neighborhood, that's fine. You can search it on Google Maps. You can search any town, any neighborhood, anywhere using Google Maps. And you don't have to do your own town. But if you really wanted to, you could also run a Facebook ads campaign looking for business owners. And you could run the ad saying something like, hey, restaurants, businesses, pizzerias, whatever, are you open? Do you need customers? You know, click the link, and when they click the link, put in their information. There's a lead. You call them up, and you set it up. And you turn around. How much can you charge for that? Now you're giving them a week for free, right? So you're going to give them a week for free, and then after that, you're going to charge them $1,000 a month to run ads. $250 a week is not a lot of money for an employee to run ads for a company. Now, they don't have to know how much work is actually involved, but every day you have to check the website, you have to check the ads, make sure it's running, do tweaks, whatever, change stuff. Make the ad itself is worth money. You got to get a creative, you got to get copy, you got to get a headline. All of that stuff, is creative, and it costs money. You shouldn't do it for free, right? But the first time you're going to do it for free, show them some results. Then they're going to say, okay, let's keep going with this. And how much does it charge? How much does it cost? A couple of clients is all you need to be making $4,000 or $5,000 a month. 10 clients, you're making 10 grand a month. Okay, that's not a lot of clients. It's not a lot of customers. Okay, so can you get 10 restaurants, 10 doctors' offices, 10 dentist offices, businesses that people think are closed that might be open? You can reach out to them. Maybe you can reach out to them by phone and reach out to them and say, have you ever thought about doing Facebook ads? Now, if you check my other videos, I'll leave links for all these videos on Facebook. So here's a tip for you. You can go to anybody's webpage. So you get some restaurants in your neighborhood, maybe some restaurants that you go to. Maybe you know the owners of the restaurants because you go there and you have a relationship with them. They know you by face, maybe by name because you have call-in orders. So you can go to their webpage. First of all, you'd have to download a Chrome extension called Facebook Pixel Helper. I think it's Pixel Helper, and you would download that, and you go to somebody's website. You click the Chrome extension, and it'll tell you if they have a pixel on their Facebook page, which would indicate they're running Facebook ads. Okay, so if they don't have a pixel on their web page, then you can contact them and say, do you want to run some Facebook ads? Do you want to run a campaign? Let people know you're open. Let people know you're open. I'll run the ads for a week. We'll see how it goes. All you do is pay for the ad spend, and we'll take it from there. Now, maybe worth it to them, may not be, but let's say you contact 50 businesses in your area, 50 restaurants in your area, and 10 of them say yes. That's 10 grand a month. Is that worth it? I think so. Okay. Now don't have to just limit it to restaurants. You can pick any niche, any restaurant, any business, and you can either specialize in a business, in a type of business like pizzerias, or you could or gyms, let's say gymnasiums, gyms where people work out, or some type of dentist or doctor or someone like that, chiropractor, you name it. You can pick any niche and you can run ads for them, and you can turn around and say, are you open? And that's your foot in the door. Then you can show them what you can do. Now click the link for my other videos, and show you how to do Facebook ads, show you how to do Google ads, show you how to do local lead generation. I have subscribed to the channel because it's all there. It's all here. Okay, everything you need to do it is here. Okay, so